Moment wangu and welcome back to another video. This is one of those unusual videos I linked in 2025. I don't know why I didn't share most of this homemaking part on my channel this year. Yeah, a lot happened. Anyhow, this is your sign to start your kitchen garden for 2026 already this year, now in December. I'd like also to apologize, guys, very much. I'm so sorry. For the audio, I lost my mic. Can you believe it? I'm really sorry. Yeah, guys. So welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Waka. I'm a wife. I'm a stay-at-home mom and wife. I live in the capital city of Windhoek, Namibia, and this channel I share everything home life, like home living, motherhood, homemaking, any of that. Anyhow, so this year I decided, not this year, usually I start my gardens December, and that's because I want the rain to do its course. I want it, I like it when the rain germinate my seeds, and that helped me not to worry about a thing about how I'm gonna water the garden or things like that in case I'm not home, or just like that. So that's why I prefer doing starting it in December when I know the rain is gonna help me be there for me. Anyhow, let's continue watching. I started with the cucumbers. I'll continue with the audio. So we can see, I can see cucumbers. Yeah, so I don't need a lot of cucumbers because this thing, guys, can overgrow. I mean, it can overproduce. Okay, let me just make 5. Yeah. So here now, I'm done. That is the cucumber. Like I said, it does overproduce. So now I am moving on to the lettuce. Lettuce, I want to have as many as possible, and they think my thing is too full. This is how the lettuce seeds look like. So I'm just gonna put it everywhere. I can't believe I don't have tomatoes, guys. Don't have tomatoes. Lettuce I need as much as possible because it's for everything. So whatever comes out of that, the rest is the bag. Let's put the chomolier, the kale chomolier. This has nice big leaves. This one. So this is how the leaves look like. We're gonna put there, there. Guys, this is my first time doing this, like using this thing. I don't know how it will come out. So this whole line is from here. So the next one I wanna make is this. This is spinach. I was given.
I don't know. I think I must just make a visual. Yeah. So let's say this is the tray. Let's say the first 5. We say it's cucumber, right? And the whole thing is lettuce. Ah, guys. Yeah. Now this whole one, we say it's what? It's chomolia. Spinach. Okay, it's the only way I remember. Let me show you how the spinach one looks like. This is how the spinach seed looks like. So this spinach seed, one can give you 3. So it pops from 3 different angles. So I'm gonna put 2 here, 2 there, 2 here, 2, 2, 2, 2. Guys, I'm not old, yeah? This is how I'm putting my cheese. Yeah, this is carrot. So this is carrot. Now, carrot. Alright, this is how the carrot seeds look like. This is how the carrot seeds look like. So I'm gonna put here and just don't do it. Whatever comes out. Okay. Jot it down. Next to the spinach is carrots. Okay. This is supposed to be basil. This is basil. Basil, I have to be very, very careful. Just one is enough. One is enough. And I'm not even joking. So yeah, let's cover up the carrots. Yeah, guys, I know how you're asking questions like, where am I going? Let me save this for last. How am I going to water this thing? I'm also wondering the same. These are all what you call this? Avo. I have 2 already. I'll show you just now. I'm missing these leaves. This is motete. So next to carrots, we are going to put motete. Motete, which is chindambi. We call it chindambi in my language. I also don't want to. Is it motete or, guys, help me here. Is this no, I think this is no, this is too big. I think this is okra. So okra, let me just journal that so that I do not forget. Let's say this okra. Me. Spinach return. This is something else, and it's totally different from the one that I just showed you. It's this okra also. Here, anyhow, we move. In here we have izderere. This is also another type of okra. Let me just put it there. Oh my. I didn't expect that. This is a lot. Anyway. I'll just say okra too. Here I'll say okra or motete. Like I told you, basil is very wild. This is the basil. So I'm going to add it there as well. Now we're gonna move to the green peppers. The green, yellow, orange peppers. And this time around I want to have a lot of peppers because I want to have all different colors. So I want to have more in so that while I'm collecting the greens and then the reds are also happening. Yeah, I just want to have that. So I'm gonna put 4. And it's the one that produced these, and these were also my own. This came from my own garden. And this is the marigold. These are the marigolds. I have plenty of them. I've seen they've grown back there. Right? Just needed the rain to start the process. Okay. So here we have what? Here we put, I should say green pepper. That's what I'll say. But now, oh please, I'm opening. I don't know what happened to my, yes, to my onions. My onions, guys. Onions. This is how onion seeds look like. It's very black seeds. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. This is my onion and it's next to the green pepper. So and that's what I'm gonna do there. Onions. Okay. So onions also I'm just gonna put whatever 4, 3, doesn't matter. Because I also need them a lot. I'm planning on not putting onions this. Yeah. Then now I want to put these things down that I was doubting. I'm not sure what it is. I'll also just put okra stroke mutete. I'm also putting tutu. Yeah, a while since we made these kind of videos, but yeah, we updated it. So now I don't even have to put this ones. I'll just not. I'll just, and these ones too. No. What else is here? Put that. Put that. Put that. Put that. Put that. So yeah. Next to the onions, we put something that we don't know. It could be okra again, or mutete. I know my Caribbean people will be very angry by that, but yeah, it's what you call it, chindambi. So that's chindambi. So this is also from my collection. This is from my own garden. It's a mixture of a lot of things. A lot. When I tell you it's a lot, it's a lot. When I tell you it's a lot, it's a lot. We have papayas, we have onion, we have either lemons or different types of nuts. You know we need the beans at some point. the beans to grow the insects. So just for the fun of it, I'm also going to put the papaya. This is the papaya from back home in Timor. So let me see. So again, continue times 3 papaya and then beans. Okay.
I got this passion